Nandito na ang Poco X6 Pro, or at least it's rumored rebranded na phone. This is the Redmi K70E and we're gonna check this out ng mabilisan, although kakarating lang nito sa akin kahapon. Pero kailangan natin pag-usapan agad kasi marami sa inyo ang kinoconsider yung Poco X5 Pro, and I'm here to tell you whether it's better to wait or you should go for the X5 Pro right now. Kasi malapit na po lumabas yung Poco X6 Pro. I just can't tell you, pero sobrang lapit na po. Kaya minabuting kong gawan agad ng video to para may idea kayo tungkol sa Poco X6 Pro or the Redmi K70E. So tingnan muna natin yung quick unboxing bago ko sabihin sa inyo yung first impressions ko itong Redmi K70E.
Yeah, you got me thinking, oh, you got me thinking out loud. You kept me waiting for the next time around. My heart is beating faster than the beat of a drum. Oh, we're all excited, just waiting for the night to come. I'm getting ready, ready, cause we're second tonight.
So pagdating sa packaging, wala namang gaanong difference between the Poco X5 Pro and the Redmi K70E, except that dito sa Redmi K70E, meron na tayong 90 watts na kasamang charger. Although sa rumors, yung Poco X5 Pro daw, naka 67 watts pa rin, equivalent with the Poco X5 Pro. But I'm hoping na hindi totoo yun and we really get the 90 watts dito sa Redmi K70E. Pagdating naman sa looks, medyo malaki din yung improvement dito sa Redmi K70E. It definitely looks more premium compared to the Poco X5 Pro. Sa Poco X5 Pro, meron tayong mala 3 camera setup na itsura dito and then this large Poco branding. Dito naman sa K70E, meron tayong nagmistulang mukhang 4 na lenses, but actually 3 lang po yan. Meron tayong ultra-wide, main camera lens, and of course, the 2 megapixel macro lens. Andito pa rin, antibay. Overall, pagdating sa looks, mas prefer ko yung itsura nitong Redmi K70. Actually, pati yung feel niya. Medyo super glossy nga lang siya, so talagang fingerprint smudge magnet ito. But enough of the physical aspects kasi dapat nating pag-usapan itong napakahalagang update pagdating sa Poco X6 Pro over the Poco X5 Pro, and that is with its performance. So with the Redmi K70E, meron na po tayong MediaTek Dimensity 8300. Compare that with the Snapdragon 778G, and makikita nyo dito sa Antutu benchmark points pa lang, ang layo po ng diferensya. 1.3 million Antutu benchmark points yung nakuha natin with the Redmi K70E, and sa Poco X5 Pro naman, only 600,000 Antutu benchmark points. Now don't get me wrong, mataas po yan for a mid-range device, but also this one is supposedly a mid-range device as well, but we're gonna be getting flagship level of performance. And if you don't believe me, di ba naalala nyo yung Poco F5 flagship level of performance now with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2, and we got 1.1 million Antutu benchmark points on this device. But side by side with the Redmi K70E, also known as the Poco X6 Pro, makikita nyo na sobrang taas ng GPU score dito sa Antutu benchmark nitong K70E. What that means is better gaming performance supposedly. However, mapapansin nyo rin guys na mas mababa yung CPU score na nakuha natin with the K70E compared to the Poco F5. But yung difference ng CPU ng dalawang phones ito is nothing compared to the difference ng GPU nila. Ang laki po ng agwat niyan. And pagdating sa 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme Test, naku po, wag na po natin pag-usapan yung Poco X5 Pro, although very stable po yung performance niya, pero nasa around 600 lang po yung loop score nito versus dito na monsters talaga. Sa Poco F5, nasa 1,900 yung loop score niya, and then dito naman sa Redmi K70E, tumataginting na 2,000 yung loop score dito sa 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme Test. However, medyo mababa nga lang yung stability dito sa Redmi K70E, so that means hindi pa siya ganun ka-stable as of now. But when we check out the CPU throttling test naman, dito medyo nakakalito, di ba? Kasi yung sa 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme Test, hindi gaano stable, pero dito sa CPU throttling test, very stable yung performance niya. Makikita nyo dito, it only throttled down to 86% of its maximum performance. Napakaganda po niyan guys. Ikumpara niyo yan dito sa Poco F5 na until now seems to be having some problems pagdating sa CPU throttling test. So it throttles down to 70% of its maximum performance. Pero what do we always say? Diba mas mahalaga yung actual performance ng mga phones ito kesa dito sa mga benchmarks na pinapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi kalahati lang po ito ng kwento. So para mabuo natin yung kwento, tingnan natin yung actual performance. So for daily use, kung simpleng browsing lang naman, social media and all that, wala pong problema dito. Napakalakas po ng Redmi K70E. Pero pagdating sa gaming, dito magkakaalaman talaga kung malakas ba o hindi. Pero paalala lang guys, first impressions lang po ito. 24 hours pa lang na nasa akin tong Redmi K70E. So nasubukan ko pa lang to with 3 games, Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legends, and Firelight 84. With Firelight 84 being the heaviest game so far na nasubukan ko. So Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, sisiyo lang po yun dito. Firelight 84, ito, ini-expect ko na iinit ng todo, naka-extreme lahat ng settings. But so far, pasado sa akin yung performance, very smooth yung gameplay, and napakaganda ng thermals. Umabot lang tayo ng 42 degrees Celsius. And take note guys, wala pong aircon dito sa studio ko. Naka-electric fan lang po ako and nakatapat sa akin mismo, not on the phone. And wala rin akong phone cooler na ginamit dito. And napansin ko, sobrang bilis rin bumaba ng temperature after playing one round of Firelight 84. So sobrang commendable yung mabilis na pagbaba ng temperature dito sa Redmi K70E. So napaka-promising ng capability itong Redmi K70E. But we didn't stop there kasi sinubukan ko rin yung Aether SX2 dito. And sobrang smooth rin guys. Although dito sa Suikoden 3, merong mga areas na pag maraming NPCs, medyo magkakaroon tayo ng frame drops. And sinubukan ko rin na i-adjust yung frame rates para mas mabilis, 2 times yung frame rates. And so far, okay naman yung gameplay experience. Sinubukan ko rin with Devil May Cry 3. Solid talaga guys. And yung temperature, hindi siya nag-spike up. So this is also promising considering that this is a MediaTek na chipset and marami nagsasabi na hindi daw maganda for emulation itong chipset na to. But so far, so good. So let me know in the comment section kung ano pa yung mga dapat nating i-test sa full review nitong Redmi K70E. Pero after those brief tests na ginawa ko, I definitely have high hopes for this chipset na Dimensity 8300. This will probably be the bomb chipset in 2024. Ito yung dapat nating hanap-hanapin sa mga phones next year. Moving on sa display, meron tayong 120Hz na OLED, 68 billion colors, napaka-smooth and napakaganda ng kulay. The only downside, I guess, is that wala tayong AI image enhancement that we see with higher-end na Xiaomi phones. But I guess that's okay. Here's a side-by-side ng Poco X5 Pro and ng Redmi K70E. Can you notice any difference between the two pagdating sa quality? Ako naman, wala akong napansin masyado. Walang nag-stand out between the two displays. Parehong maganda. Merong Dolby Vision as well for Netflix. So, pwede kayong manood dito ng Netflix. And wideband level 1 na po. So, activated na po yung Full HD resolution dito sa Redmi K70E. So you don't really have to wait anymore for the Poco X6 Pro kasi pwede nyo nang bilhin itong Redmi K70E. Pwede nyo i-order dyan sa link sa description box kung saan ko nabili. And by the way, pwede rin kayo mag-pre-order or magpabili kay AHH Xiaomi Manila. Ililink ko rin po yung Facebook page nila para may makausap kayo para sa inquiries nyo tungkol sa Redmi K70E or other Redmi K70 series na phones. Pero balik tayo sa display, you won't miss anything from the Poco X5 Pro. Talagang magagandahan kayo sa quality ng display nito. I mean, you still get infinite contrast where black is truly black. Karagdagang informasyon lang pala guys bago tayo mag-move on sa next topic. Meron na pong 480Hz na touch sampling rate itong Redmi K70E. Moving on sa camera, meron tayong OV64B na ginamit nila dito with the Redmi K70E. Now, remember, dito sa Poco X5 Pro, meron tayong 108 megapixels na Samsung ISO cell na sensor for this device. So, makikita nyo, dito talaga siguro yung biggest difference natin. But so far, sobrang konti pa lang ng shots na nakunan ko. So, I'm not really gonna say anything much dito sa camera segment natin. But I would just like to say na napansin ko na mas saturated yung photos na nakuha natin with the Poco X5 Pro compared with the Redmi K70E. And hindi lang po sa photos kasi this continues with the video as well. So parang merong 4K 30fps yung main sensor nila. And eto nga, mas realistic yung kulay na nakukuha ko with the Redmi K70E. Mas saturated po talaga sa Poco X5 Pro. And sa selfie camera naman, nahirapan rin ako pumili kung alin yung mas okay pagdating sa video. Parang merong 1080p 60 FPS. Pero kayo muna yung maging judge dito sa pinapakita ko sa inyong samples. Let me know in the comment section kung alin yung mas nagustuhan yung quality sa dalawa. On the battery side of things naman, medyo malaki rin yung improvements natin with the Redmi K70E. So meron tayong 5,500 mAh of battery capacity and 90 watts of fast charging. Now, if rumors are true na if yung rebranded ng Redmi K70E na Poco X6 Pro will have 67 watts pa rin, then there might be a chance na maging 5,000 mAh yung battery capacity ng X6 Pro, making the Redmi K70E a very enticing option para sa mga naghahanap ng bigger battery capacity. But take note, haka-haka pa lang naman yan ngayon. But usually kasi yung mga rumors about Poco medyo high yung accuracy. Now, other things that you might want to know, yung Redmi K70E already runs on HyperOS 1.0 and nagkaroon na rin agad ako ng update dito, which is more on the improvement of the camera and stabilization ng whole system so far. And so far, there is one bug that I've encountered already, and that is with the flickering ng 4K 30 FPS na video recording na ipapakita ko dito. Napansin ko yan na bigla na lang nagpi-flicker yung video mismo. So I was thinking nung nagre-record ako na baka lang naman sa recording lang, but then sa actual video wala naman yung flickering, but the flickering is definitely right there. Makikita niyo dyan sa sample na pinapakita ko. I mean, ayaw ko naman maka-experience ng actual bug sa isang phone, but finally nakakita rin ako ng actual software bug habang nagre-review ako ng device, kasi usually nakakalusot ng mga bugs sa akin kasi hindi naman sila sumusulpot agad-agad. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this very quick video. Gusto ko lang talaga kayong i-inform na para sa mga bibili, prospective buyers ng Poco X5 Pro, you might want to hold off kung kaya nyo pang mag-hold off. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga makabili ng sulit na device, kasi nagsisale ito down to around 10,000 pesos yung Poco X5 Pro, well, guys, this is still a very good device in 2023 up to 2024 and onwards. Napakaganda pa rin ang performance, solid pa rin yung camera ng Poco X5 Pro. Actually, I'm trying to do a very long-term review para lang maipakita sa inyo kung okay pa rin ba yung Poco X5 Pro in 2023, in 2024, and so on. So, I'll try to finish that video as well. Basta trust me guys, malapit na po talaga lumabas. Now, hindi po hahabol yan this 2023. It's gonna be for next year. So, it's very close na po talaga. Abangan nyo. At paalala, para sa mga gustong bumili ng Redmi K70E, pwede na pong mabili dyan sa link sa description box. Diyan po ako mismo kumuha. At para sa mga hindi pa nakakasubok ng China ROM phones, eto po, may mga ililink po ako dyang videos na panigurado makakatulong sa inyo. So hanggang sa susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.
Without love.